Hey everyone! Today, we are unboxing the ColorFit Pro 6 Max. This smartwatch boasts a huge display, tons of fitness features, and a sleek design. We'll be checking out its accuracy, battery life, and overall performance. Let's dive in. A feature pack. Companion. All watch face. iOS and Android compatible BT calling. TWS connectivity. Emergency SOS. 100 plus sports modes. 2 reliable accuracy in real time. Your wellness, redefined with accurate metrics and precision you can depend on. 3. Your data. Your fitness plan. Achieve your fitness goals with activity plans crafted just for you. From steps to workouts, stay on track with guidance tailored to your lifestyle. 4. Your data. Your sleep insights. Unlock better sleep with in-depth analysis. Track your patterns, discover insights, and wake up feeling your best every day. 6. Track every stroke, turn and splash. Go beyond the surface with 5 ATM water resistance, perfect for all aquatic activities. 7. Pinpoint precision at every turn. With the advanced built-in GPS, powered by 5-axis global satellite positioning systems, track your routes accurately, whether you're on a run, hike, or exploring new places. 8. Powerfully smooth. For unparalleled performance. Experience the unmatched power of N2 processor with the fluidity of Nebula UI. Redefining speed and fluidity for unmatched smartwatch performance. 9. Refined. Resilient. Remarkable. Stainless steel build. A stainless steel build that combines polished aesthetics with unmatched durability. 10. Brighter. Bolder. Better. 1.96 AMOLED display. 75% brighter than Pro 3. Every detail shines brighter and clearer. 11. Go beyond AI. Sync your smartwatch with the NoiseFit app to unlock a holistic experience enhanced by the power of AI. NoiseFit app. 12. Choose it. Strap in. Stand out. From workouts to celebrations, it effortlessly transitions through your day, combining resilience with sophistication. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.